Usually when we talk about traditional multimedia classroom, a conventional huge desktop will come into your mind, let alone the high power consumption caused by multiple users. But most importantly, facing dozens of students is that the teacher cannot attend to all terminals. However, with the Vnopn solution, the classroom management becomes much easier. Now the huge desktop turns to be the slim thin client instead. Compared with the traditional 300 watts, now the power consumption is 5 watts only. When the teacher gets ready for class, he can turn on all the students' terminals with one key. To facilitate management, the teacher can create and modify in bulk the terminals' names, passwords and other information. What's more, the teacher can take a roll call and record students' attendance during class. When the lesson begins, the teacher can with one key broadcast his desktop to all students, which enables every student to see clearly the teaching contents and operating steps. This assures high teaching learning effect. Even when students have independent learning, the teacher can continue to monitor all operating behaviors. It greatly simplifies multi-user management. The teacher can send a session to the absent-minded student. If the student doesn't correct their behavior, the teacher can force the control of their terminals. When students want to ask any question, they can directly click the hand up button and interact with the teacher. Students using UDisk may unintentionally infect the computers. To avoid this problem, the teacher can set the students' USB peripheral permissions. To check the learning result after class, the teacher can send e-papers for a quiz and better prepare lessons according to students' testing results. After class, the teacher can with one key turn off students' terminals, but also make a whole class check and summarize students' operation behavior in class. Regarding different requirements, Vnopn offers 2 optional hardware and software. According to different quantity requirements, there are optional customized solutions. Of course, Vnopn can not only be applied to educational industry, but also widely used for enterprise, finance, manufacturing, hotel, call center, digital signage, etc. Besides, Vnopn offers an upgraded firmware continually. If any higher configuration or better performance are required, you only need to upgrade the server configuration. Vnopn, your ideal classroom solution provider.